Good morning from Bigay, Cagayan Valley, Philippines, 3511. There's the sunrise behind me. Today's Saturday, the 18th of April, 2020, the 22nd day of our self/home quarantine here at home. Please subscribe to our KDMG Family and Friends YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook, KDMG of Family and Friends, and also on Instagram, John and Carmen Gus. I'm going to show you where I collect my rocks right here. Rocks all piled up here because our seawall is on hold during the COVID-19 pandemic crisis. So we have rocks here just piled up. I figure I can use it for our garden. There they are, rocks and rocks. And then there's a pile of that red dirt, which is really good for the garden. So there's some more rocks. You get different sizes and different shapes. Let's see if I can. Okay, there's the ocean behind me. And there's the pile of rocks behind me. It's beautiful dirt out here. There's Bigay behind me. And there's the sunrise and the ocean. We're going to walk towards the garden now. I'm going to go like this so that the ocean is behind me. Okay, we're going to walk back to home. I'll show you how much we've done to the garden because of these beautiful rocks. So the ocean is pretty calm today. Pretty calm. Also have 0 cases of COVID-19 here in Bigay, in the Cagayan Valley, this whole province of Cagayan. The governor reported yesterday for the last 10 days, today is the 11th day, actually, 11th day that we are COVID-19 free. Those are the white dogs that watch. They're the security guards' dogs. Yeah. They watch. Okay, we're gonna go through here towards where we live. I also picked some pebbles here, small pebbles. I just picked everything that I need for my garden. Yesterday, some neighbors where we walked gave us a lot of flowering plants. And then we went back to Jolo Beach, and Jimmy, Kuya Joe Felson, youngest child, gave us some more flowering plants. So here we are. And the back. It's the Crab Hotel. It's the Crab Resort, El Presidente Resort. It's beautiful out here. Peaceful in the morning. There's no boats out there. Oh, yes, there are. Yeah. There's fishing boats out there. Yeah. Fishing boats out there. Yeah, the ocean is relatively calm. Some big waves. But it must be calm enough for the boats to be out there. I can see them. There's dozens of boats around. I don't know if you can see it. But yes. There are boats. John puts birds food out here now so that the birds eat the food. This is our little backyard. There's our window to where we live. We live in a very corner, and this is the back road to where we live. The door is broke, so we gotta push it up to get in. Whoopsie. And there's my garden. There you go. Those are the flowering plants that we collected. There. Oh, better. This way. Okay. There's our window. And there's my rock garden. Rock and cactus garden. Let's see what's from here. There we are. Well, I hope you enjoyed this little tiny video of the progress of my garden. It looks like it's, hopefully they will live. Just keep watering them. Please subscribe, comment, and like below. Bye for now. Have a great weekend. Love you, Carmen. This is Carmen.